Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning friend, welcome back. I am so happy to have every single one of you here today. Today is Monday, therefore we will be doing another Mask Monday. And for this Mask Monday, I am going to be unboxing my September 2021 IPSY bag, and there are add-ons in here this month, so woot woot for add-ons. Jen spent some money. The add-ons are always great prices though, and so whenever I see something that I absolutely can't resist, I don't feel guilty buying it because it's such a good deal. So, real quick before we get started, guys, if you wouldn't mind giving this video a thumbs up, I would appreciate it. It helps to communicate to YouTube that you guys are enjoying my content and encourages them to promote our videos so that we can continue to grow our YouTube family and get closer and closer and closer to that 800 subscriber giveaway. Guys, I checked this morning and I was only 4 subscribers away. However, I mean, it's been doing the whole, gain a subscriber, lose 2, gain a subscriber, lose 2. So who knows where I'm at. It's probably going to take me another month to get these last 4 subscribers to get to 800. However, we're going to be patient and just wait for YouTube to decide that they want to cooperate. If you guys can hear that noise in the background, Ace is trying to show you his toy. So, and he got a different toy for you guys. It's a little bit quieter, but if you hear crunching, it's him chewing on his alligator. I'm sorry guys, he just loves to be with me when I record because, again, whenever I open a package, he thinks it's for him, and I don't want to lock him outside or in another room at the moment, so he's going to join us for another Mask Monday. Anyways, as I was saying, we are going to continue to be patient and get to that 800 subscriber, and once we do, guys, I've got a fantastic giveaway all set up and ready to show you. So if you're not a member of my YouTube family, guys, please consider hitting that subscribe button down in the corner. I would absolutely love to have you. All right, so for this week, I have a Bolero Hydrating Paper Mask. It is a watermelon and sweet mint. I got this at the Dollar Tree. It is supposed to moisturize, soften, and refresh. I have already washed and toned my face, so all we need to do is apply the mask, and then I've got my handy dandy neon green face mask cover to put over it, so hopefully, hi Ace, hopefully that will hold it in place for us. So let me go ahead and see if I can get this mask on. I always have to smell them first. It smells alright, but it doesn't have a real strong watermelon mint smell, so bring it out a little bit because it does have a lot of extra serum, which we will put on our neck and down here and on the backs of our hands as soon as we get the face mask applied. I've noticed that with Dollar Tree face mask that for some reason they seem to have an extra gel-like texture, and they don't have a real strong smell, which is okay. I mean, a lot of people don't like super strong smells. A lot of people don't like super strong smells on their face. I, however, am a big scent person, so I appreciate a stronger smell, but that's okay. Hold on. I'll adjust the camera in just a second. That is, as I'm trying to put on my mask, Ace is scooching the camera out of view for us, so thank you, Ace. He's a big helper and loves us all. He heard me say his name. He's trying to figure out what I'm talking about. So maybe we'll get a break from him moving the camera on. Oh, well, I guess he moved it back for us. Huh? Gosh, guys, this dog. All right, let's see. What do we have here? I can't even see because it's a... Okay. Get it off my eyes. I thought I had this rolled down. I guess it's short. It's not going to cover my nose all the way. That's okay. Alright, so it does have some extra length, which is fine. Alright, there we go. I'll rub this down here and on my neck and on the back of my hands because I love it. Maybe I'm going to rub it on my elbows too because there's that much. So now let's go ahead, it's on, and we will get started on our unboxing. Oh, I missed it here. It's so raw. Nothing like eating silicone. Alright. Okay. Ace, hi. Did you want to say hi to everybody? He says, Mama, there's something wrong with your face. Help! Look at this bubble. What's that all about? I look like a Klingon, a neon green Klingon from Star Trek. Look! I don't know how to get rid of this bubble in the middle of my forehead. We're gonna deal. We're just gonna roll with it, guys. Welcome to Bubblehead Mask Monday. Got our glasses on. Ooh, that is gorgeous, y'all. You just can't compete with this kind of beauty. How you doing? Can't even fully smile because then my lips will get stuck underneath my silicone mask. That's a full smile. Oh, shoot. Sorry, guys. Clearly, I'm not mature enough for Mask Mondays. I will work on it. Here we go! Yay for Mask Monday! Let's see what we got. I never remember what I got for add-ons. For you who are not familiar with IPSY, before we get started, it is a monthly subscription bag or box. It is $13 a month, and you usually get 5 to 6 sample to full-size items. Each month it does come in a really cute little bag, and all the products are typically inside, but every once in a while, if you got a full-size product, they stick it in the mailer, so make sure you always check. Also, they have all kinds of sales throughout the month, like every other beauty subscription box out there. Their prices are fantastic. It's a great way to catch some good deals, restock on any of your favorite products. So let me go ahead and show you what I got for add-ons this month. First thing I got were these Papa Recipe Right for the Skin Bombay Pore Ampule Honey Mask Pack. Oh, it's 2 different masks. So I got 2 Papa Recipe face mask, Bombay Pore Ampule Honey Mask Pack. And they say the same thing, but they're different colors, so I don't know what the difference is, but I got these. Next, I've got the Daily Anti-Frizz Serum. It's called Pure Brazilian. It's got keratin, acai, argan oil, and cocoa butter in it. That's what this looks like. And y'all know my hair kind of does its own thing. Sometimes it's curly, sometimes it's straightened, sometimes it's just a great big ball of frizz. So thought I would get this to see if I can tame the mane. Yeah, that sounded really intense, huh? And last but not least, I've got some new scalp scrub. This is by Perfect Shine. It's clarifying scalp scrub. It is a clarifying scalp scrub. For those of you who have been with me for a while, you know I am absolutely obsessed with the Christoph Robin scalp scrub. So I thought maybe I should branch out and try something new. It's got the little tab on top. If it's not real, okay. Ooh, this smells good. That's what that looks like. Now the Christoph Robin stuff has like great big chunks of salt in it. This seems to be a little bit more fine. But maybe once I dig into it more, it'll have some bigger chunks. I don't know. But if there is anything exfoliating in there, which it says it's an exfoliating scalp scrub, it's definitely finer than Christoph Robin. There you can kind of see some bubbles down at the bottom. So thought I would give this a try. And now my hands are all sticky. They're not sticky, they're moisturized. Oh. Oh. Here, my towel is a little damp from my hair. Yes, you know I'm not mature enough to do that. So anywho, here's our discombobulated bag. Wobber jarbled. Askew. Jenn's words for the day. You always get to choose one product each month. And honestly, guys, I have no idea what I chose. I think this might have been what I chose, the scalp scrub. This might have been the item that I chose for the month, but I don't know. I think it is. It is. It must not have fit in the bag. Because this thing was packed full. You always get a flyer for September 2021. The theme is back to work, school, and life. Whether you're rushing into the office again, commuting and wearing lipstick, or catching up on much-needed self-care, get back into the swing of things in style. Holla! September 2021. Okay, so I did buy this as an add-on. These are part of the mask, which means we'll be able to read about them in English and see what they are. I have ordered so many add-ons. I think I've got BoxyCharm, I have a Shein haul, I have an AOA haul, so I thought I ordered these with something else, but these must have been the item that I picked, which is why they seemed familiar. Chaos. Sorry, guys. Each one of these little flyers does have a description of the product and the price. So, since we've already got these out and kind of looked at them, let me read about them here real quick. These are Papa Recipe Bombay Pour Ampule Honey and Bombay Pepta Ampule Honey Mask Duo. The Sheet Mask Duo has got all your skincare needs covered. It is made with skin-loving ingredients to help hydrate skin, soothe irritation, and to help tighten your pores for a smooth complexion. Plus, they're made with all-natural ingredients with zero dyes, zero fragrance, or zero fillers. There you go. Does it have a price on there, though? It says full size, which I'm pretty sure they didn't give me half a mask, is $3.50 per mask. I got jokes. I just wanted to smile in this mask. See, we put Ace in the office because we thought he could play with his toys in there. Clearly, he's going to bark the whole time, so you're all going to have to listen to him bark. I'm sorry. We are not winning with Ace today. Next item. Ooh, Police Radiant Glow Illuminating BB Cream. Guys, I'm so stupid. This might have been what I picked too. I don't know. This has SPF 30. It's oil-free moisturizing, natural-looking coverage, illuminating finish cream. That's what that looks like. I'm sure that it has a safety seal because IPSY is fantastic about that. This is 7 milliliters. MSRP for the full size, which is 40 milliliters, is $35. And this says dot onto skin, blend using fingers or a damp beauty sponge. A few drops gives your skin dewy, natural looking coverage and protects it from pollution and UV damage. Very happy to have that. Now I really wish, I need to start reviewing my order before I hop on here, guys, because I'm just a confusing hot mess. Next we have a product by H2O. It's Hydration Sensitive Gel Cleanser. And yes, this looks familiar to me too, but I'm 99% sure that I did not pick this. Alrighty, so this is 15 milliliters. Let's read about it. H2O Hydration Sensitive Gel Cleanser. The full-size product is 28 milliliters. Remember, this is 15, and it is worth $28. It's the ultimate gel cleanser for sensitive, stressed out, or redness-prone skin. It uses all natural ingredients to gently remove makeup and help refresh and reset your skin without leaving your skin feeling tight, dry, or irritated. Good, because nothing's worse than irritated, angry skin. Makes me cranky. It's irritating. I'm sorry, I went there. Next, we've got Radiant Glow Highlighter by Prosecco. Is it Prosecco? Prosecco? I don't know. I need to stop looking at the sneak peeks. I think that's why everything looks familiar and I can't remember what I picked. Alrighty. Well, this is an interesting compact. It's by it says IBY on it, so maybe that's the company that made it and not Prosecco. Maybe Prosecco is the color. It's by IBY Beauty. Prosecco must be the color. Maybe, I don't know. I just do what I'm told. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? You know it's pretty when Chaos Jen wants to sing about it. I just licked my face mask. God. Dang it. Alright, so this is 3 grams. Full size is 5 grams and worth $14. It says this versatile shade can be used as a gorgeous shimmer shadow all over your lids. IBY Beauty Radiant Glow Highlighter. All over your lids, huh? Your skin is about to be lit. I need lit skin. Lit, angry, and irritated. And then the last item that we have is a wet blush by Sophia and Mabel. This is 4 grams. Ooh, I like this packaging too. Look at this. Cute is that? Nice. I like that. And that is a decent amount there, guys. Hope you can see that okay. It is kind of dark in here. I just want to take advantage of the natural sunlight. So like I said, that is 4 grams. And it is a full-size product worth $18. Apply it to the apples of your cheeks using your favorite blush brush or the tips of your fingers. It's the most natural-looking blush to come across our desk. The unique wet texture melts into the skin to create a realistic looking flush. Nice. Blend a tiny bit into the apples of your cheeks for a sheer look or layer it on top for a bolder pop of color. Very cool. I love it. Once again, Ipsy, you rocked it. So let me show you what this bag looks like with everything out of it. And then we'll put everything back in and just review what we got. Here is our bag. Now, it does not look much better. I love these. This is cute. This would even look cute in my purse this month. So we've got the Wet Blush by Sophia and Mabel, or Mabel. Mabel. We have this IBY Beauty highlighter for your eyes. Love that shimmer. That is gorgeous. We've got our 2 face masks, which really gave us a run for our money. We have our H2O Hydrating Cleansing Gel for sensitive skin. We have our Perlice BB Cream, the Illuminating kind. And then I think the add-ons that we got were the Scalp Scrub and the Anti-Frizz Beautiness. So, I didn't even look to see how long I'm supposed to wear this mask. Do you guys know how long I've had it on? Directions. Cleanse face with warm water. Apply mask. Leave on 3 to 5 minutes. And then it says, gently wash mask from your face. Wipe off any residue with a damp cloth. Okay, let me go wash this off because I think it's been a little bit longer than 5 minutes. BRB. All right, so we are washed and patted dry. My skin feels definitely smoother. It doesn't feel sticky like I thought it would. I was kind of surprised. So overall, happy with the mask. I do wish that it would have had a little bit more of that watermelon mint scent, but that's just because that's my favorite scent from Dollar Tree, and, you know, I love it. So, anywho, I'm sure I have you all completely overwhelmed on your glorious Monday morning, so I will let you go so you can grab a cup of tea and calm down after the chaos. I hope you all have a fantastic week. If you wouldn't mind, again, guys, thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. It really, really helps me out. And until next time, guys, keep smiling. Bye.